everyone, it's Emily. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, hi, nice to meet you. I thought I'm going to vlog today because it's an interesting day. I'm with Sky, just woke up, and Adi's not here. Hey, stop biting me. I'm about to take her on a morning walk because she's really hyper, and I was gonna work out, but there's no way I'm gonna work out with her like this. She's gonna just bark and she just wants to play. So I'm gonna take her for a walk instead. And essentially, Adi is filming for free time this week, so he's staying at the free time house. So I'm staying with Sky, and I'm just basically alone. Like, I'm just here by myself. Ow! Anyways, I have to take her for a walk, but I'll talk to you guys after. But that's the plan. She's going crazy. Hey guys, I'm in the car now. I don't know, like, if I could just like set you guys up, that would be great. I'm in the car. I have this headband on. I'm so cold, guys, today. Like, okay, I just don't think this camera is gonna stay. I'm nervous, but I'm gonna make myself useful today and run my errands that I've been wanting to run. I'm so scared I'm gonna like crash and my camera's gonna fall, and this is my new camera and I won't be very happy about that. So I have to go to the post office. Okay, this car is me. And then I have to go to Kohl's because I need to return stuff from Amazon, and like Kohl's like does Amazon returns. It's like the easiest way to return Amazon things. Highly recommend. But so that's what I'm doing today, at least right now. And but what is this, bro? Oh my god, shit is so annoying. So basically, there's a car parked on the side, just kind of like in the middle of the road, and I was about to go around them, and then it started moving. So like, what's your problem? What's your freaking problem? So basically, since Adi is staying at the free time house, I'm gonna stay here while he's there and then take care of Sky. So I basically am a loner. Yay. So I'm just trying to make myself busy while he's gone filming free time all day and all day tomorrow. So yeah, this is gonna be fun. I'm basically filming this video, so I will have to do things. Why do people insist on cutting me off? Like, I don't understand. You. Oh my god. Literally hate everyone here. Anyways, you guys just saw a glimpse of my road rage, but it's fine. I just don't understand why people insist on speeding up when the lanes are literally closing. Like, it's not your time, sweetie. Anyways, we're almost at the post office. I'm back. I showered and I've done a few things since I last talked to you guys, but I want to show you guys what I got. I went to CVS and I got some things. I ordered Starbucks. I made myself some eggs. It just like didn't hit the spot. So I ordered a chai. It's so good. Literally so good. Going to CVS gets so expensive. But I just got some few things I wanted to try out, and just some stuff I needed also. So starting with stuff I needed, I got the Rimmel Stay Matte. I use this. It's the translucent or transparent color, and I just put it for under my eye concealer. I needed a new blush because my packaging on that one also broke. Really, the only downfall about like drugstore blushes is that they literally, like, the packaging is so cheap. But I got a new one. This is the Flower Beauty. I've never tried it, so I thought I would try it. It's the color Spiced Petal. So we're gonna try that out. I think Sky has to go to the bathroom. Then I got another mascara because I was running low. I got the Telescopic, and I got in the black brown color. I wanted to try out the Butter Bronzer in the deep color because last time I used Butter Bronzer was a while ago and they didn't have all the colors they have now. So I wanted to try this, so I got that. 2 eyeliners for like my waterline. I got a maroon color because I heard this is supposed to like be really good for like brown eyes with like hints of hazels to bring out the green, which I kind of have sometimes if I wear the right makeup. So I'm gonna try this. Also, bronze is supposed to bring out the colors in your eyes. So I got 2 liners. And then I saw this on TikTok. The burgundy mascara also is supposed to be good. Okay guys, it's been like a long time since I last vlogged. Literally done nothing today because I'm trying to like save stuff to do for tomorrow also, because I'll be bored tomorrow. But so she was literally not speaking before, but I'm thawing some food right now so I can feed her. I've been shopping today, guys. Like, that's an issue. No, I actually haven't been buying that much. You wanna hang out with me? Okay. I haven't been buying that much. I've just been looking and making carts at a lot of places. I've actually been really inspired fashion-wise, so I guess that's good. My lips are super chapped. Do you see how like pink they are? That means they're really chapped. Not good. I got this thing in the mail. I use this tanner. I don't really tan myself a lot. Just because I don't really feel the need to do it all the time, but I've been using this tanner when I do tan. It's the Luxe Unfiltered Tanning Cream, and it's just a gradual tanner, and it's super subtle, but it gives you like that extra glow in the winter. And then they came out with like face drops, so of course I had to buy the face drops to try out. So I'm gonna try this out tomorrow. Packaging is superior. It doesn't really smell like much. That's kind of the plan. I'm not really doing much more today. It's about 7 p.m. and my night is basically over. Guys, I'm doing it. I'm running a bath. I'm very excited about this endeavor that I'm going on. I have a very exciting time for you in this vlog. I haven't talked to you guys since, I don't remember what clip, but basically I was alone and then I went to a D and then went for a little road trip and I was gone for like 2 days and I got all these packages in the mail that I ordered. So I'm gonna do a little unboxing. I'm not gonna try on any of these things right now because I'm tired. It is 9 p.m. and I already unpacked, but I'm gonna open. So this is from Casetify. I love Casetify cases. So I'm super excited to see what they gave. Just a mirror case, simple. And then this case, it says it's never a bad idea to be kind. And thank you Casetify for sending me these. Really appreciate it. Next I have the Savage X Fenty. I'm actually working with them, so they sent me a package and I'm really excited to open it up. Okay, I'm not going to show you guys this stuff because you'll see on my Instagram, so go check out my Instagram. Next, I got my tanner that I've been loving. You guys already saw it in the vlog, but I'm running low on it, so I thought I would pick up another one. Yes. So I got some sweater vests. I thought this was going to be oversized. This is literally an extra large, and it's not that big, but we'll work with it. I got a baby blue one, and then I got another Amazon. Got the skirt. Super cute. Wow, this is cute. I'm excited. Okay, next I have Princess Polly that I bought. Okay, I got a pair of white flare pants. I got this in a 4. These are gonna be a little too big. And I got a white, just a very simple dress. This is the back, just white. I thought it was really good for layering. Next up, Tiger Mist. Oh, cute. I had a credit and I wanted the skirt and I thought, why not try it out. Next I have Skims. I have 2 packages, so I'm gonna open it up. I love Skims so much. Wish this was sponsored. So I restocked on some of their masks. They're my favorite mask. I got 2 cream colored ones and then 3 black ones. I'm gonna give 2 of the black ones to a D and keep 1. I wanted to try out her like bra and underwear stuff, so I got this like nudish bra. Oh my god, this is so soft. I'm so excited. And then I got it in black. I got these little same material in a boy short because I thought I could get away with wearing these as like Spanx, because I'll show you guys something that I got that I needed this for. So these are really soft. Wow. Next we'll do Misguided. I have this shirt in a lot of different colors and I wanted to get it in like this green color for fall, and I don't know if you can tell, it's like a gray green. Wow, it's super beautiful. And then I wanted like a brown leather jacket. It's like a blazer, brown leather blazer, which I've been really into right now. And then I got a package from Glassons. I've never shopped from there before, so I was really excited to shop there. My camera for sure died, but I got an order from Glassons. So I already, came in like 2 separate orders, so I'm gonna show you guys this first. I got just a pair of long like mom shorts. Super cute, super my vibe right now, so love that. And then I got this little mesh top. It's like button up, and then it actually came with matching pants. Also, I feel like if I wear like the boy shorts under, it'd be really cute. And then I got the cutest little cropped sweater vest. How cute is that?
And then I got a little collared pink cropped sweater. And then I got another sweater vest. This one has like mint color. I think this is gonna be really cute for spring. Okay, I think my last package is Lululemon. Very excited. They came out with a new color and I had to get it, guys. It's like this chocolate brown. Can you tell what color it is? Oh my god, I got it in the Align legging, the matching sports bra. But I think that's everything for now. Follow my Instagram to see the stuff in action. Hope you enjoyed this little mini haul. Now I have to like clean up and everything, and I'm really not done.
Guys, it's the next day, or actually it's a few days later. This vlog is kind of all over the place, but I wanted to show you guys my outfit of the day. I'm actually shooting today for this dress. The blinds are closed right now because me and Adi just took a thumbnail, but this is the fit. Super like pirate fall vibes. I'm gonna show you in the mirror. This is the fit. Super cute fall. And then wearing my new necklace. This is from the M Jewelers. It's like a pearl necklace with the letter E. Super cute. And then my belt's from Amazon. Adi needs to like make it smaller for me with like this special tool because it doesn't fit me. And then my dress is Revolve. I'll try and link it down below for you guys. My shoes are H&M. And these headbands are Amazon. Oh, also my belt is Amazon. I don't know if I mentioned that. And you guys always ask about my necklace that I wear every day. So I thought I'd just let you know it's from Tiffany & Co. I got it like 3 years ago for Christmas from Adi. Rate my outfit. Really? Why do we have two different vibes going? We have Halloween on this side, and then we have Christmas on this side. I'm back home now. I just got back from Adi's and I got more stuff in the mail. Oh, hey, that's me. I got more stuff in the mail, but like this whole video is just me like showing you guys what I bought because like nothing else exciting happens besides like stuff that come in the mail. Like, I'm not kidding, but I got more stuff from Zara. So if you guys have seen my leather blazer from Zara, I wore it on Halloween. I got this color. It's almost like a nude pink. Can't really tell. It's a lot darker than I thought it would be, but it's okay. I really love the material, so I highly recommend. And then I got this like corduroy shirt. It's a little shorter than I thought it would be, but I think I would still like get a good use out of it. I got this sculpt bodysuit, just super good vibes. And then that's kind of it. And then I got a skirt from Amazon that I need to try. I promise the vlogs are gonna get more exciting. I've just been so like not really doing anything, so I like don't know what to vlog, but more vlogs soon. I'm getting my hair done next week. I'm very excited. I'm gonna vlog that. I am obsessed with these pearl necklaces, guys. This is your sign to get one if you haven't already. They have so many cheap ones. Comment down below if you guys want my Amazon shop list or my Amazon recommendations because I'm getting so much stuff from Amazon. You guys know. I just finished my workout. It took me so long to get up today, guys. It's 11:15 and I normally am like completed by now. But I just got my slippers that I ordered from Target because I saw them at the store and they didn't have my size. And they were only $10. So go get yourself some of these, guys. I love Target slippers. I always wear my Target slippers. These are a little different actually. But I got these pink ones. How cute. Had to get a neutral. So I got these. So cute. I have to film something for a brand. Hopefully these fit because I'm taking off the tux. And so I have to actually get ready today, which I was not planning on doing. Also, this vlog was supposed to go up today, but I just don't know if I have enough footage. Watch me have so much footage and like, it's fine. Okay, they're huge. Big, but like they're really cozy. So here, I'll show you guys. How cute. I can like mix and match. But see how my foot is like pretty, like it looks like there's a lot of space, but I think they're really cozy, so it's okay. I'm gonna throw away my trash. I just took out hella boxes and took a lot out of me. Hey guys, I have on my outfit of the day. It's literally just very casual because I just finished all of my like content work that I needed to do today, but now I just have to edit this vlog. So I'm going to Adidas right now to edit. I'm wearing this Brandy Melville lace shirt, super cute. It's like snakes, I don't know. My Amazon hoodie zip up, my Aloe Yoga shorts, necklace, Vivienne Westwood Etsy one, not sure if it's real, literally feels so good, so it might even be real, guys, we don't know. And then just my sneakers. Editing this vlog, and I forgot to do an outro, so this is my outro, me editing. I look crazy, but thank you guys for watching this vlog. More vlogs coming soon, more exciting vlogs, because I'll actually be doing stuff in them, hopefully, not just like hauls, but this was me being alone for a majority of the video and then just like shopping and showing you everything I got. So hope you enjoyed. Love you guys so much. Have an amazing day, amazing week, amazing life, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.